Aloha, freaks! Lugosi got to come out tonight. He didn't get to come out last night because I felt super shitty. I felt super shitty. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Oh, he likes to get groomed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah. Sweetie pin feathers. Is that Lefty? Is that Lefty? Alright. My little lover boy. Look at his, I'm obviously his mate. He loves me to death. So, yeah. Oh, there he goes. He likes to kind of sit halfway on your head. Because, they roost together at night. So he likes the warmth and the closeness. Like, flock animals are super sweet when you're part of their flock. Yeah, when you're part of their flock, they really, really love you. Yes, they do. Looking at Lefty. He's like, what's Lefty doing? Okay, Lefty, let me get you squeaker. Fried egg squeaker. Isn't that cute? Like fucking fried egg. What's that? Anyway, see you later, freaks.